What's up guys, thank you for watching JGTechBlog. For today's video, we're going to be doing a comparison between the all-new ZTE Blade Max View and the new ZTE Blade Max 2S. These new phones, if you haven't heard already, just came out yesterday, and I wanted to put them to the test to help you guys make a choice which one would be a better option to buy. I'm then going to be comparing the winner of this battle to the LG Stylo 4 and to see which one would be a better option to get, one of the new ZTE phones or the LG Stylo 4. So stay tuned. So we're going to be talking about the display, the camera, the performance, the battery life, and eventually the price. Alright, so first of all, let's talk about the screen. On both phones, the ZTE Blade Max View and the ZTE Blade Max 2S, you have a 6-inch display. So in that terms, they're both identical. So the full screen is amazing. You have an 18:9 ratio display, and also it has very nice FHD full high definition IPS display. By the way, if you guys don't know, that's a little bit better than the TFT displays that we usually see on these phones. It's a better display, at the same time not using as much battery life. They also have 402 pixels per inch, and last but not least, they're running at a 1080 resolution. The ZTE Blade Max View and the ZTE Blade Max 2S are really identical in that term. The display are the same. Now let's go ahead and look at the camera. For the ZTE Blade Max View, you have a dual camera. You have 16 megapixels in the back with another 2 megapixel camera. Unlike the ZTE Blade Max 2S, you only have one rear camera that's 13 megapixels. And in the front, you have an 8 megapixel front camera on the View and only a 5 megapixel camera on the 2S. So for that, I'm gonna give the winning point to the ZTE Blade Max View as having a better rear camera and having a better front camera. Now looking at the performance of the phones, these are both identical. They both have the same chipset, Snapdragon 435. They both are running an octa-core 1.4 gigahertz. They both have the same graphics card, that's an Adreno 505. They both have 32 gigs of internal memory. They're both expandable to 2 terabytes. But the difference is at the RAM. When you look at the RAM, the View has 3 gigabytes of RAM compared to the 2 gigabytes of RAM that's on the 2S. So we're gonna give that point to the ZTE Max View. Now let's look at the battery life. You have a 4000 milliamp battery on both the phones. Unfortunately, these are not removable batteries. Make sure you don't try to pull that battery out of the phone. They do have quick charging capability, and they are both USB Type-C. They both don't have stylus pen, and they don't have NFC. And in terms of the operating system, the Max View is running 7.1 Nougat out of the box, while the 2S is running 8.1 Oreo. But I'll be honest, I'm gonna make it fair for both of these phones because it has been confirmed that ZTE will be pushing an update before the end of the year. And 7.1 is not really that bad. So I'm gonna put them as a tie for the operating system. Now in terms of the price, the Max View is going for $199. The Max 2S is going for $179. Now, if you ask me my opinion, in conclusion, I definitely think go for the Max View, that you should not even look at the Max 2S. The reason being is, if you think about it, for $20 more, I don't think $20 is really going to break your bank. If it is, okay, that's a different story. But if $20 is really not going to break your bank, most definitely go with the Max View. Not only are you getting a better rear camera, 16 megapixels compared to the 13 megapixel, but you're getting dual cameras. And the front camera is going on an 8 megapixel compared to the 5 megapixel. Looking at the performance, you have a 3 gigs of RAM compared to 2 gigs of RAM. Honestly, I don't even know why they're still putting 2 gigs of RAM on phones these days. So most definitely, without a doubt, go with the ZTE Blade Max View. Let me know what you guys think down below. Is that a better option? Make sure you subscribe to be notified when I upload the ZTE Max versus the LG Stylo 4. And I'll have that link down below in the description. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.